Today we're going to be going over how I actually find the trending stocks to put in these videos and also trade on the stock market. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are interested in starting to trade or invest in any of the stocks that are mentioned in this video, then go ahead and get signed up with WeBull and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 when you deposit $5 on the platform. With all that out of the way, let's get into the first way that you can find trending stocks, Yahoo Finance. So if you have actually watched any of our videos, you would have definitely seen Yahoo Finance in pretty much any of them. This is what I actually use once I actually find a stock that I want to research, because it has honestly the best researching capabilities, but it is also a way that you can actually find these stocks to basically start trading or investing in. So what you're going to want to do is just go to finance.yahoo.com and then just scroll through the titles here. So just from looking at it, I just pulled this up, and basically there are some things such as what Marvel's Black Widow means for the outlook of movie theaters, and I might bring this up in a YouTube video that we do on, say, AMC or things of that nature. And then here we can also see what Branson reaching space on Virgin Galactic flight means for the future. This would have to do with a trending stock at the moment, SPCE or Virgin Galactic. So yeah, basically if you want to find stocks, just come here to find stocks. This is actually a very interesting article right here. Just 3 stocks power 75% of Warren Buffett's portfolio. You can see which 3 stocks those are just by going through the videos, and you can see that they're Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. And obviously those would be 3 great stocks to get into, but they're not really trending that much. But basically, if you want to see what trending stocks are, just go through all of the articles on the front page of yahoofinance.com, because these guys are on top of it. So yeah, from here I could see that they're about to talk about AMC as well as Space or Virgin Galactic. So yeah, that is going to be the first way that you can find trending stocks, is through Yahoo Finance. The second website that you're going to be able to use to find trending stocks to start investing or trading is going to be StockTwitch.com, and there's also actually an app on StockTwitch, and I could do a whole video by itself on StockTwitch, but I'll try to keep this pretty short and simple. But basically this is a very, very good way to find the most trending stocks on the stock market. So as you can see here, if we come to StockTwitch, you can see trending. You can see which stocks are trending. They actually give it a score. So if a score is between or above 15, it's pretty much going to be very good. And you can see how much price has changed for these stocks, as well as basically just which stock is the most hyped stock at the moment, just from the amount of messages are being had, and basically they come up with their score in a very good way. But obviously Clove is one of the highest ones here. Disney is one of the highest ones. Virgin Galactic, like I said earlier, also the highest one. Not only can you find what's trending, you can also see which ones are most active. So obviously AMC is one of the most active stocks on StockTwitch, because people really, really love AMC. And obviously it was down 10% today, so it was talked about a lot today. Space, also one of the most talked about. But yeah, so basically you can also find that out, Clove down there as well. And then you can see who has had the most. Basically you can start watching stocks on StockTwitch, and you can see with the Watchers tab on the rankings, which stock has actually added the most watchers in the last 24 hours. So obviously AMC might be the most active, but when you see how many more watchers are being added, you can see that Space is actually the most talked about stock and most watched stock over the last 24 hours. So obviously Virgin Galactic might be good to look into. Obviously they're not doing too well, so maybe you want to stay away from it. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be StockTwitch. Also on StockTwitch, you can make posts where you basically just type in the cash or the money sign followed by like AMC, not ANC, AMC, and then you can post whether you are bullish or bearish, and then just type whatever you want, and then you'll be able to see how the stock has performed since your post. It's very cool. StockTwitch is a very good website and app to use for new people to the stock market, as well as old people to the stock market as well. Okay, and now for the third way that you can find trending stocks on the stock market that you can start trading and investing in, you can actually use WSB trackers. So this is going to be a website more for people that want to be trading just swing trades, just momentum plays, and this is basically going to be a website that tells you how many times every day a stock, or what percentage a stock is being mentioned on Wall Street Bets. So as you can see here, today, this was yesterday. Yesterday, as on 7-Eleven, AMC was talked about 32% of the time. GameStop or GME was only talked about 2% of the time. So these are kind of, if it's trending up like Clove, it was at 1% and 4%. Today it was at 12%. So like Clove, this is a trending stock that is being talked about a lot, and that could be a potential for a squeeze or just a lot of retail interest in a stock. So yeah, this WSB trackers, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites, by the way, but this is a good way to find out what's being talked about by retail traders, especially in the Wall Street Bets community. And finally, this is probably going to be the best way that you can find trending stocks. I know I've probably said that a few times, but this is definitely going to be the best way that you can find trending stocks on the stock market. Finviz.com. So you guys can register or log in. It gives you some extra benefits, but basically when you log in on the home screen, it's basically just going to show you the Dow, the Nasdaq, S&P. It's going to give you an overview of the whole market. If it's all red, that's not a good day. If it's all green, then it's a good day in the market. And it'll give you some information on some tickers. But this isn't the actual part of the website that we want to be on to find these trending stocks. So we want to actually come here to Screener. And then we want to come here, and if you see this little tab, you want to, instead of being on descriptive, you want to go to all, and then you're going to want to filter some stuff out. So just follow along with me. If you guys want to be trading penny stocks, then follow along with me with this. So basically what you're going to want to click on is industry, do stocks only. That's going to just give you stocks, obviously. For relative volume, you're going to want to do over 2. This basically means that the stock is being traded twice as much as it usually is, so that means that it's either trending or there's just a lot of action going on with the stock. And then to make sure that we find which stocks are doing well, we're going to do 2-day up for performance. So that basically means the stock is up and that they have over twice the amount of volume as usual. And then next we want to click by or go by market cap. And you can do either micro or small. Small is probably best for penny stocks, and then you're going to want to come over here to volume and click twice to see which one has the most volume for the day. So obviously, if we found this earlier in the day, this stock went up by 100% from $10 all the way up to $20, I believe. But yeah, this is a way that you can do some more research. You basically would want to research these stocks to see which ones are doing best. If you guys wanted to do some more, you don't want to do total penny stocks, then follow this. So we're still going to want to have stocks only. We're still going to want to have relative volume over 2. We're still going to want to have today up. But basically market cap we will change to more to large. So this is going to be a little bit better. We can actually do mid too. Just switch between mid and large, and these are going to be different candidates that you can have for different swing and day trades. So there's only obviously about 7 on here. Usually there would be more like 10 to 30, but today there wasn't that many that had higher volume and that were up. And you can also adjust this to over 1.5 to get some more stocks up there. But yeah, you'd want to switch between mid and large for market cap, and then basically just switch between over 1.5 and over 2. But yeah, you're pretty much just going to want to do some extra research on the stocks that you find in this. I notice here that Upstart Holdings is one on here. So So this is one you would actually want to look into a little bit deeper. You can also go to large and see if you notice any companies that you know, or you can just do some more research on these trending companies. But all these companies will be trending because they have a higher volume and they are up today, so you know they're trending in the right direction. But that is pretty much going to be it for today. Did these 4 websites help you out? If they did, leave a comment in the comment section below what your favorite stock is, and consider leaving a like and subscribe and turning on post notifications, as it really helps out with the channel. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.